Amniotic stem cell therapy treatment has been recognized in the medical industry worldwide as the biggest medical breakthrough in natural healing. Stem cells are injected into an injured area. They can metamorphosize into 6 different kinds of cells, depending on how they're instructed by your body, whether becoming bone cells, tissue cells, or another kind. That is what is so unique about these very special growth or stem cells. The huge number injected in our therapy allows the body to heal damaged areas at a very accelerated rate. Athletes such as Kobe Bryant, Alex Rodriguez, Tiger Woods, Peyton Manning, to just mention a few, are big proponents of stem cell therapy. In 7,713 clinical studies so far, the best results have been seen in knee pain, osteoarthritis, shoulder pain, and in patients suffering from neuropathy. In fact, the longest standing clinical studies have been in the phenomenal results seen in the repair of horse ligaments, tendons, and joints. A consenting mother who is going to have a C-section donates her placenta and the stem cells are harvested from that. All natural and clinically proven to be extremely effective in promoting healing. Fact: cortisones and other drugs only provide temporary pain relief. Stem cells restore degenerated tissue and bone back to how they were meant to be: healthy. One of the other components is hyaluronic acid, which lubricates joints and tendons, easing the pain and restoring mobility.
I had such significant degeneration that when I went to the orthopedic surgeon, they said, "You have the worst degeneration ever. You're going to need an ankle replacement unless you do this particular surgery, which involved not only a surgery to restore the stability of my ankle, but also stem cell injections," which I really hadn't heard that much about at the time. So now flash forward, it's 4 years later. I actually have an ankle joint again, where I didn't have one before. I'm not facing ankle replacement surgery, thank goodness.
Thank you, Jill. And now some of the science behind this healing. The injections contain naturally occurring anti-inflammatory agents such as cytokinins and growth factors, which stimulate tissue repair. The double whammy: relief and repair. Plus, there is no threat of patient rejection because our stem cells come from an immunoprivileged site. What that means is that the immune process is suspended in the organ between a mother and her child. One of the many reasons this therapy is so effective and revolutionary. More than 10,000 injections have been performed without a single report of adverse side effects. It's been used by ophthalmologists and plastic surgeons for over 20 years. All consenting donors go through a rigorous screening process as determined by the FDA and the American Association of Tissue Banks, so they are 100% safe. And if you remember on Star Trek, when they swept the healing wound over the wound and it healed itself, stem cell therapy is like that, only, a little slower. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, so here are some more words from another one of our patients.
And I just knew there had to be something out there for me. My daughter came with me that day and she said, "I think you should do it. I think you should get those injections right now." And I said, "I think you're right. I feel like I've found something that's on the cutting edge where people can go that have been pretty helpless and hopeless about their condition. I hope you will give this a chance, some area of medicine or treatment that won't use drugs, which caused me all kinds of extra problems in the past. No knife, no surgery, something completely unique. It's called stem cell regeneration."
Thank you, Marilyn. If you want to avoid surgery and dependency on prescription medications, find out how our non-surgical stem cell therapy could help you live a pain-free life and help you get back to an active lifestyle. It only takes one stem cell treatment to reduce or eliminate your pain. Many patients start experiencing relief from pain immediately after treatment. Our results speak for themselves. You don't have to spend another day suffering. Pick up the phone right now and call us to find out if you are a candidate for the stem cell treatment that is changing lives, or come to one of our free upcoming seminars listed above. Please fill out the contact form to the right of the screen for more information, and thank you for watching.